Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. Today I have a hair review. I saw this hair on someone and it looked really good. The reviews aren't too bad either, so I decided to get it. And yeah, it went. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So here's the packaging. It's packaged, fairly well. Again, I got this hair in a color 1B because that is the color of my natural hair. And I wanted it to blend. I just wanted it something more natural looking. And for $44, not too bad at all. Here are the descriptions, the specs about the hair. Now, in terms of the hair cap, it's constructed pretty well. It has a hairband or elastic band over there, and it has 3 combs, one on each side and then one in the back, and then an adjustable strap. Now the lace is a 2x5 lace, so you're limited to the amount of parting that you can get out of this. But here's the hair. It looks great, feels great, moves great. So I'm gonna put it on. So putting it on right away, again, the free movement is just there. It flows. The comb is just going through. It looks very smooth and luscious. It has a beautiful shine to it, which is something that I really loved. However, the lace is very, very detectable, obviously, because I haven't done anything to the lace. So I am going to see what I could do to the lace. Here, I decided to put a little bit of my foundation onto a beauty blender and just dabbled it on the lace, as you can see. And it looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna put it on for the second time and see what the lace is looking like now. So as I put on this lace, or as I put on this wig, you could definitely tell that it's pretty snug. I did see some reviews on Amazon that said that it's pretty tight. Some people were complaining about how tight the wig was. Now I appreciate how snug this wig is, just because I'm not trying to glue down this wig. So with that being said, I would need it to hold a little bit tighter than usual, right? So it doesn't move and stays on my head. Now a little close up on the hairline. The hairline is pretty good. It's pre-plucked. The baby hairs are there. Everything looks great in my opinion. And because of how good the hairline looks, I think, going ahead and making this glueless would be seamless. I am going to go ahead and cut the lace. Okay, so warning. This hair is synthetic, and with syntheticas, they get tangled really quickly. It comes with the territory, so the more you comb it, the more you brush it, the stiffer it gets, more tangled it gets. But overall, I believe with this hair, you should be able to get a few wears out of it. You could wear it a few times and it would look okay. Maybe after the first couple wears, like 5 or 6, it might start to stiffen up and tangle up and get to the point where you cannot use it. but it looks good. Overall, I give it a 3.5 over 5. Thank you for watching. Let me know how you feel, what your thoughts are. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.